Canon, known for its high-quality imaging, innovative technology, and reliable performance. Whether you're a professional photographer, a videographer, or a beginner looking to capture stunning images, we'll explore the top 5 best Canon cameras. All links are given in description. Number 5. Canon R10. The Canon R10 is best beginner camera for enthusiasts and content creators looking for a balance of performance, portability, and affordability. Its 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent low-light performance. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, with 651 autofocus points, ensures fast and accurate subject tracking, making it perfect for action, wildlife, and vlogging. With 15 FPS mechanical and 23 FPS electronic shutter speeds, it captures fast-moving subjects effortlessly. 4K 30p and 4K 60p video modes provide high-quality footage with stunning detail. The fully articulating touchscreen and compact design make it ideal for travel and vlogging. Compared to competitors, the R10 offers Canon's superior color science, intuitive ergonomics, and a growing RF lens ecosystem. For its price, it's an unbeatable choice for those wanting pro-level features in a lightweight package. Top reason to buy: Canon R10. The R10 features Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, offering lightning-fast and accurate subject tracking for wildlife, sports, and portraits. Compact and lightweight, perfect for travel and vlogging without sacrificing performance. 4K 60 FPS video. Delivers sharp, oversampled 4K video with excellent detail, making it great for content creators. Number 4. Canon R7. The Canon R7 is one of best camera for hybrid shooters who need speed, reliability, and high-quality imaging in a compact body. Its 32.5 megapixels APS-C sensor delivers exceptional detail and dynamic range, making it ideal for wildlife, sports, and landscape photography. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with 651 autofocus points ensures precise subject tracking, even for fast-moving subjects. With 15 frames per second mechanical and 30 frames per second electronic shutter speeds, the R7 captures action effortlessly. The in-body image stabilization up to 8 stops allows for sharp, handheld shots, even in low light. For video, 4K 60p provides crisp, professional quality footage with Canon log. 3 for advanced color grading. The weather-sealed body, dual card slots, and long battery life make it perfect for professionals and serious enthusiasts. Top reason to buy: Canon R7. Superior autofocus, dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with advanced subject tracking and 5-axis in-body stabilization for sharp shots in any condition. High-resolution sensor of 32.5 megapixels. APS-C sensor delivers stunning detail and dynamic range for photography and video. 4K 60 FPS and 10-bit C-Log. 3 professional-grade video with oversampled 4K 10-bit color and enhanced post-processing flexibility. Number 3. Canon R3. The Canon R3 is the ultimate mirrorless camera for professional sports, wildlife, and action photographers. Its 24.1 megapixels full-frame stacked BSI CMOS sensor delivers stunning image quality with ultra-fast readout speeds, minimizing rolling shutter effects. With 30 FPS electronic and 12 FPS mechanical shutter speeds, it captures high-speed moments effortlessly. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, featuring 1,053 autofocus points and eye control AF, allows for lightning-fast and precise subject tracking. Deep Learning AI-AF ensures accurate detection of people, animals, and vehicles. For videographers, the 6K 60p RAW and 4K 120p recording options provide cinematic quality, while Canon Log 3 enhances post-production flexibility. 5-axis IBIS up to 8 stops ensures steady shots, even in challenging conditions. The weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, integrated grip, and dual card slots make it a rugged professional workhorse. Combining speed, accuracy, and reliability, the EOS R3 is the best choice for demanding professionals who need cutting-edge technology in a robust, high-performance camera. Top reason to buy Canon R3. Blazing fast performance, features 30 FPS electronic shutter, advanced eye control AF, and top-tier dual-pixel CMOS AF2 for pro-level speed. Stacked full-frame sensor of 24.1 megapixels back-illuminated sensor delivers stunning image quality with minimal rolling shutter. 8K and 6K RAW video captures cinematic footage with 6K 60p RAW, or oversampled 4K for incredible detail and flexibility. Number 2. Canon R6 II. The Canon R6 Mark II is the best full-frame hybrid powerhouse mirrorless camera for photographers and videographers who need speed, reliability, and outstanding image quality. Its 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor delivers stunning detail, excellent dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. With 40 FPS electronic and 12 FPS mechanical shutter speeds, it excels in action, wildlife, and sports photography. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, featuring 1,053 autofocus points and deep learning AI subject tracking, ensures precise and fast focusing on people, animals, and vehicles. For videographers, the uncropped 4K 60p and Full HD 180p provide cinematic footage, while Canon Log 3 and HDR-PQ allow for professional color grading. The weather-sealed body, dual card slots, and improved battery life make it a reliable choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its balance of power, speed, and versatility, the EOS R6 Mark II is the ultimate hybrid camera. Top reason to buy Canon R6 Mark II. Improved dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with next-gen subject tracking and 40 FPS electronic shutter for ultra-fast action shots. Better video capabilities, shoots 4K 60 FPS oversampled with no crop and 6K ProRes RAW externally for pro-level filmmaking. Enhanced low-light performance of 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor with outstanding dynamic range and high ISO performance for clean, detailed images in any lighting. Number 1. Canon R5 Mark II. The Canon R5 Mark II is the best Canon camera available today, offering cutting-edge technology for both photographers and videographers. With a 45 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality, high dynamic range, and low light performance. The Digic X processor ensures ultra-fast processing, enabling burst shooting up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, perfect for action and wildlife photography. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, enhanced with AI-powered subject tracking, provides lightning-fast and accurate autofocus. For video creators, the R5 II supports 8K 60p RAW recording and oversampled 4K 120p, delivering stunning cinematic footage. Improved heat management allows for longer recording times. The high-resolution EVF and fully articulating touchscreen enhance usability, while dual card slots ensure workflow efficiency. With its unmatched versatility, speed, and image quality, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is the ultimate tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Top reason to buy Canon R5 Mark II. Advanced autofocus with eye control, allowing photographers to select focus points by simply looking at them through the viewfinder, enhancing shooting efficiency. High-speed, continuous shooting with a 45 megapixels stacked CMOS sensor, the camera achieves continuous shooting speeds of up to 30 frames per second, ideal for capturing fast-paced action with exceptional detail. Enhanced video capabilities supports internal 8K AW video, recording at up to 60 frames per second, providing filmmakers with high-resolution footage and greater flexibility in post-production. If you're looking camera according to brand preference, check out this video.